India is all set to become one of the top economies of the world and Asia's next superpower. India's growing market of 1.2 billion people with an average age of 25, an economy capable of generating a GDP of 8.5% and a middle class of 250 million people have experts confident that India will grow rapidly in the coming decade. But what can pose as a big hurdle to this growth is the lack of healthcare infrastructure and access to healthcare for its 1 billion plus population. As per data, average spending on health in India is $32 as compared to developed countries which spend as much as $4,590 approximately. The problem gets compounded with the rising number of patients in India due to the prevalence of diseases caused due to lifestyle changes. Add to that, by 2025, the average age of the population in India would be nearing 60. To achieve the 12th planned goal of 1.7 beds per 1,000 people from the current 1.3 beds by 2017, it is estimated that India will have to add at least 6,50,000 beds. Approximately 1,30,000 beds will be put up in the government hospitals. This will necessitate the addition of approximately 5,20,000 beds by the private healthcare providers over the next 4 years. Over the years, many healthcare institutions, both private and government, have come forward to make a difference to the healthcare landscape. These institutions have to work doubly hard to make even a small difference to the healthcare scene. Such dedication and tireless efforts to change India's healthcare system needs to be recognized and awarded. It is for this purpose that CNBC TV18, in association with ICICI Lombard General Health Insurance, instituted the India Healthcare Awards in 2010. The award has received overwhelming responses year after year.
The Healthcare Awards that we started was an initiative that we felt was ripe in terms of time, where we wanted to recognize some of the best providers, that is healthcare providers in the country. As we look at taking this initiative forward, we believe that it's important for us to recognize some of the best hospitals in the smaller towns, because that's where India lives. More than 50% of India lives in the villages. And I'm really happy to see that this year we are rewarding and recognizing some of the top district hospitals in this country. Personally, and as a part of the ICICI Lombard family, we are extremely happy with the progress of this award, and we hope to see it continue to do well and wish for this award to be a resounding success this year.
This time, over 3,500 hospitals, which included primary hospitals, secondary hospitals, multi-speciality hospitals and tertiary hospitals, registered at our microsite to compete for this award. CNBC TV18, for the 4th year, partnered with one of the foremost names in the industry, IMRB, to conduct an impartial and scientific rating of the entries received from across the country. In the first stage, the entries were narrowed down and hospitals were selected on the basis of number of patients treated in each hospital, number of beds in the hospital, number of doctors, nurses and medical specialists in the hospital, hospital infrastructure, customer service, hospital operational for at least 2 years. In the second stage, the shortlisted hospitals were further evaluated by 200 general practitioners, 440 specialists with a minimum of 3 years of experience, 325 senior managers, and over 7,000 patients across economic levels through a semi-structured questionnaire given to them. On the basis of this survey, the IMRB team shortlisted 10 to 15 names in each category that were finally presented to the jury members.
We've been doing this now for 4 years, being associated with the CNBC TV18 ICICI Lombard Healthcare Awards. And I think the methodology has essentially been the same. So we seek nominations, we do extensive secondary research to find out which would be the sorts of hospitals which we should be selecting for the study itself. So we talk to doctors, chemists, and then we also, once we have a short list, we also actually go and speak with the senior administration within that hospital itself to get authentic data in terms of the factual sort of infrastructure that they have and the services they offer.
What makes these awards come with a tag of high credibility are the members of the jury panel who comprise the best in the industry, and they are with us each year right through the 3-month-long process, evaluating the methodology, making suggestions, finding flaws, and finally picking out the winner after a lot of deliberations. When we come back after the break, we take you through the intensive 4-hour debate and brainstorming amongst the jury members before selecting the nominees in each category. Stay tuned.